little muddy here. Yep. Beautiful. Nice to get out. I'm gonna pick up some chainsaws. So, cool. Really nice, man. Really nice. Kind of a road behind me on this trail. It's beautiful. I haven't been here in years. But, yeah, real nice. So, just going for a little walk. Things are good, hands real good. Just enjoying the day. I got stuff in the truck to cook and do everything, but it's totally impromptu. Good. Very nice. It's slippery here. take it easy, man. Good day. Nice to get out. Made in 4071 here. Stuff's from Hawaii. Hula girl from Kauai. Ships very fast. Excellent Kona coffee. Instant Kona coffee. It's great, man. So I was hiking. You'll see it on this video. Then it just started downpouring. I got a brand new phone, so I don't want to use it. Lose it, ruin it. So just came back to my shelter and. Keep this spoon in here, one of the spoons. I made 2 new spoons from a piece of wood. I'll show you that now. My old cooks are that I made. So I'm just gonna dump this in now. Cheaper when you buy it in bulk. Put it in your own little pack. That's what I'm doing, man. So. And some coffee. little Gronk bar. I'm a Pats fan, but no, not Tampa's not gonna cut it. But I do like the Gronk. But probably can't hear the rain because of the stove, but it's raining in here. When I woke up this morning, I didn't even think this thing would be standing, but it's been withstanding snow, wind, rain. Had some serious rain. So it holds out pretty good. But there's one little spot over there where the dog walks on all the time, kind of screws things up. But overall, it's pretty good. So this part of the video, I was walking in the woods in Northfield, and hadn't been there in years, and I had to stop there on the way home. You know, nature calls. But picked up a couple chainsaws. But make us a coffee, man. It's my Primus Classic. My little stove hack. It's still pretty hot though, man. Oh, because I gotta turn this down, man. Turn it down. I'm gonna turn it down, slow it down. Because the heat's coming up and heating this up, so I have to be careful. It's actually not too bad right there, so. But, yeah. It's gonna be good, man. So I'm using my cookser. I'm not using this cookser. That's the cooks I bought a long time ago, so I've had this for a long time. I put the Carolina Chris sticker. I keep this in my shelter. I may keep this in the shelter too, so we'll see. I don't know. But, it's always a work in progress here. I mean, looks pretty good. I could take the vent off here, but basically, I mean, the wind was wicked last night, wind and rain. So overall, we do pretty good. And where I sleep, it's quite good. It's good all around. So we do pretty good. So I'm gonna have my coffee, Gronk bar. It's done. Real time. You saw it. So, yep. I'm gonna shut this off. It's boiling. I don't know if this cooled down here. Let's see. Well, it's still pretty hot there, but I'm gonna grab it right here. And cool. We're good. But this is a big stove. That's why it kind of came up on the sides there, but I cut that down. So I'm going to have my coffee here, man. Couldn't have it on a trail because I didn't want to ruin my new phone. It was pouring. It was just pouring here a little bit, too. So we have our coffee, so that's what we're doing, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. 1940-71 striker out of wood, right from a tree over here in my yard. He's a generous guy there. And the original ferro rod I bought from him. He sends me stuff too, but I send him wood. Great. Check out his stuff. But we're doing good here. Ooh. Mm. Damn, that is good. Damn. See, when you get it loose in bulk, it's a lot. You get more coffee for your money, and you can kind of put it in one of those little tea bags. Actually, this is from Germany. Ah, you son of a gun. Almost filled it. But very good coffee, Hula Girl from Kauai. And it is from, when I traced it, they went from Kauai and went to Oahu, and it's shipped really fast. I couldn't believe it with all this stuff going on. But I've had it before, so it's good. So you have a good day. I suppose I should open this Gronk bar. Tear it open with my teeth, you know. But the hand's good. I can't split wood with an axe with it, but I can do everything else with it. Before I couldn't even start my car. So we're doing fine, man. And I made 2 spoons out of 1 piece of wood. Got 1 more piece from that piece. Here's my little Gronk bar. A cup of coffee from my cookser. Sounds like the rain stopped. man, that's good. Here's the spot, man. So it's from the Eskimo Fair ride. On Instagram, it's all screwed up. I mean, I have my regular fair ride site. Got that back because I got my phone. But I have Eskimo 2891, which I don't think I'll maintain. I'm not sure. I was using that while my phone was dead. But we're good, man. Pretty much classic. Crank bar. 1940-71, my cookser. One of my spoons, I'll probably leave it out here. And we're cool. So, goodbye. It's fair ride from the Eskimo. Take care. Have a good day. I'm doing real good here, man. We're fine. And fine. Couldn't even start my car before I can do anything now. Except for split wood. But keep your race on. Waiting to go camping. That was delayed because I got messed up. The weather's been miserable here. But we're good. Take care.